Okay guys, today we're gonna change out the O2 sensors, the upstream and downstream O2 sensors on this thing, getting them codes. Here go the parts. So let's get the car jacked up. Okay, let's get in here and see what we got. Jacked up, jack stands here, right there, and the jack for extra safety. We got one right here. And another one right there. Man, that one look welded. We're gonna spray on some PB Blaster. Don't think that's gonna help, but hey. So I just took the blue clip off one. Try to get in there, let you guys see. I took the blue clip off one of them. Oh, we got one here as well. So we got three over here. We got three over here. This one look like it's been recently changed. And we got one over here. We got one here and three on this side. 2, 3, and number 4. This has definitely never been changed. That may need some heat. Look at that, guys. That's like it's welded into there. That's why they didn't change it. That's gonna be difficult. It looked like somebody attempted to change it. But we're gonna get it. Okay, let's get some PB Blaster, guys, and start PB blasting these. I'll get another jack here. Get the jack stand there. Another jack on the front for safety. Okay, guys, look at the plugs. These are the upstream O2 sensors. So these go toward the front. And these are the downstream. These are the upstream. And these are the downstream. So one of the downstreams has not been changed, and I know why. Look at the plugs. These are the plugs to the ones to the farther to the back. These are the plugs to the ones to the front. So let's get some PB Blaster and spray those things down. All right, guys. So got all of them. Got 3 of them unplugged. Just want to remove that blue clip. And I got a valve cover gasket leak on this car. I fixed that too. I did quite a few trans jobs on this particular vehicle, one similar to this, and so I'm familiar. I know what everything is at already because I have to disconnect everything. I mean, I have to remove everything, transfer case and all. So this one's done. Just move that boot clip out. It's located inside of this housing. I sprayed it with PB Blaster too. I'll show you guys. Right there. And this one's simple. It's unplugged. Just want to pull that safety clip out and just lift up on it and pull it up. And the 4th, which is, this appears to be hard. It may be hard coming out, but the harness is like right in view. As long as you jacked up. Look, I got safety everywhere, guys. I don't play with, I'm extremely cautious with this stuff. I got the jack on the front as well and another jack stand. You know, under these vehicles, I'm not gonna get crushed under here. So this one, got some PB Blast on this. It's gonna be the most difficult to get out because it's been in here for so long. But we got the torch for that if we need it. But if you look back here, guys, hey, go to, let me get the, light up here, show you guys like this. Super easy too. There it is right there. It sits inside of here. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to just take this retainer out. Take the retainer out right there and pull it out of there. And then I'm gonna disconnect it with the, I'm gonna pull that safety clip out now. All right, we got that out. Now we're gonna pull this. We're gonna get the retainer off and pull that out. Oh, you know what? Just pull it out like this, guys. Just go for it. Lift up on that piece and just pull it out. Okay, we're out, guys. It's unplugged. So we just gotta remove it from that retainer and show you what I'm gonna use for that. This is the tool to get these off. I like the wire cutters. They better. These are some long ones compared to the average size one. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna get under there and pull that retainer up out of that bracket. All right, guys. I used the thing, but it broke off. So we'll use a wire tie and tie it back up there. But it's off. So I got a socket for these O2 sensors. We're just gonna take them off one by one. We know where they go. Can't get them messed up. There's no certain one for, well, as far as them being distinct, there's the two for the downstream. This is one. You can't mess them up, so you can't screw this up. So I'm just taking them out. Let's get the socket. If that don't work, we're gonna heat them up. Okay, guys. I got a pipe wrench, 1 inch, 7/8 socket. I got the O2 socket, and the one that's like it's been changed isn't budging. I got it to budge a little with the monkey wrench, with the pipe wrench, and starting to damage the thread. So I'm gonna heat it with my little torch and get a 7/8 inch wrench and just screw it out. This is my torch. If you got a smaller portable torch, you want this nozzle. This is the kind of nozzle you want on it. This thing is a beast. You don't turn that thing real hot and using some nap gas. This is the nozzle you want though. It took me about, with this one, a couple minutes at the most to get it out. So these look fairly easy once I heat them up, but the hardest one, so I'm gonna film this one, guys. Just gotta get my camera back and be careful because it gets hot under here. So we're gonna film this one and see how long. This is the worst one. It hasn't been changed. Let's see how long this takes. I got the 7/8 wrench in position. A 21 inch wrench will work perfect on here, guys. So let's see if I get a good view. You guys can squash the whole thing as I heat it up. Okay, guys, all of them out. Very easy. You can see it's still sun shining in the hat. This wasn't hard at all. Not that I thought it was. Just the one that had never been out. It didn't have to heat up the one in the middle. This one just came right out. Looks like it's been replaced not that long ago. So we're gonna put all new O2 sensors in the thing. Got that one is one of the factory ones. Another factory one. So we're gonna swap it out. You know, it's got a shorter harness. I'm gonna have to use some wide tabs because all these have same size length wires. There's no different in wire size. So I'm gonna start screwing them in, guys. Tighten them down. Just a straightforward job. And then we're gonna use some wire ties and buckle everything back up. But okay, guys, I took the plastic cap off to protect the threads, and it appears they have anti-seize on them already, but I got some. I'll put a little bit more on there, so I don't have to worry about being seized up again in the event I have to replace them. So just want to show you guys. Smash out seized. All right, guys. Man, I'm gonna keep it straight while you're twisting it, and so the wires won't twist up. But we ain't. Okay, let's do this one now. I'll connect them when I get done twisting them in. I'll connect all of them. Okay, guys. Done. Use a lot of anti-seize cream, guys. Put a nice little bead on around that and threads. They're going a lot easier. I'm using the 7/8" wrench, guys. Opening wrench. So let's do the last two, guys. And then we're gonna connect the connectors and use some wire ties to get them hung up. So to connect this connector, guys, from the back one, you want to stick your arm through. Try to get a wide view so you guys can see how easy I did it, or which way I'm going with it. So we're connected. Super easy to do, guys. So let's connect the other ones. This is the hardest one to connect, and it's easy. So the other one's gonna be a cinch. So let's get it. I'll put some wire ties up here in a second, and let's get everything, the rest of the connect. All right, guys, we're done. I'm just spraying the front differential. Got to come off of this thing. Look at this, guys. I busted open when I was plowing this winter, and I have to replace this. So I'll be changing. The video will be coming for that shortly on this channel. Lubing everything up. Last O2 sensor connector is in place, and we'll be starting up in a second. Everything is in place. So before I do it, I'm about to weld this pipe, guys, because this got an exhaust leak here, so I'm about to weld this real quick. Okay, guys, just connected the battery back. I forgot to tell you guys, I disconnected the hot side of the battery, just connected it back. Try to erase those codes, even though we got a code right here. So let's give out the first start up. Let's plug this up first. We're gonna start it first before we check codes. So engine light still on. We may have to clear the codes. This car does need a fuel injector, a spider injector, guys. So I'll be changing that shortly. It needs a spider injector in this engine. A slight misfire upon acceleration, but I know exactly what it was. I've changed them. Spark plug wire, that tire distributor, all this other channel as well. So we're gonna that'll be the next video. I'm hoping to change the spider injector in here. Get it running smooth, but let's see what codes is reading. You gotta erase these codes. So of course these are reading, they gotta register. So let's go back and erase them. So we're gonna drive the truck around a little bit, but I gotta change out the spider injector, so be on the lookout for that video, guys. That should make the truck run perfect there, but we've done everything else. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel, a whole lot more content.